Greetings, dear friends, and welcome to the Free Evolution Company channel. I am Ken Jerry, a software developer. Today, I will be showing you how to code and animate a simple clock using HTML and CSS. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. We meet in the next phase. Before we go into the practice of the thing, where I will actually show you practically how to code a simple clock using HTML and CSS, there are certain few concepts that we need to know. The first is that to create complex animation, developer use the animation property, but the animation property alone cannot do it. So in addition to the animation property, they use the keyframe rules. So the keyframe rules are used to control the execution of the animation steps. The animation names links to the animation through a specific keyframe rule. And the animation property has a number of subproperties such as animation name, the animation duration, the animation time function, the animation delay, the fill mode, and the play state. Okay, now I have launched my Visual Studio. So you can see that here I have created a folder called clock project. In this folder, I need to create two files, my HTML file and my CSS file. I will call my HTML file index.html. My HTML file has been created. The second file, my CSS file. I will call it style. So my two main files has been created. So I will start with the basic structure of an HTML document. So I get into the HTML file. So now I have put in place the basic structure, the very basic. This is a very basic structure of an HTML or document or file. So now I want to give this project a title. So in the head tag, I'm going to add the title tag. I have given my project a title, Analog Clock Project. After that, I come at the level of the body. I'm going to create, I'm going to use a div to create a container, and then I'll give it a class name of clock. With small c. In this main container, I'm going to add two more div. Sorry, I need to add a class name here. So I have added all the basic components that my HTML document needs for the clock project. So now I move to the CSS. Start with the main container, which is the class clock. I save all. So you can see that I have given my CSS property or some CSS property to the class clock. So let's check what we are having at this point in time. Okay. Oh, there's nothing. So the reason is simple. We have not linked our style sheet. Do that. Let's preview again. Okay, we can see that our clock is coming out slowly but surely. I get back into my Visual Studio Code, back to my CSS file. So I have added CSS rules for the clock class. I need to do same for the hand. Remember that we have the minute hand and we have the hour hand. So now I want to apply CSS rules to the hand. I save it. So now I am done with the class clock and the class hand. Let us save. Okay. Everything is fine. I get back into my Visual Studio. I'm done with the CSS rules that I'm supposed to apply to the class house. I do same for minute. So now I have added CSS rules to the class clock, which is our main container, the class hand, the class hours, and minute. So if we look at the class hours and minute, you will have seen that I have added the property animation, and my animation name is cycle. You can see that here. So now I can use my keyframe. Use the transform. I save all. So you can see that we have coded a working clock using HTML and CSS. Thanks once more for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And we see you in the next video.